All right, so it's about time for another reptile quest. So what do you say we get started? So this is ridiculous. We're at Jesse Jones right now, and this is normally like where the embankment would be. It's like a drop off, and then it goes down to where, you know, the water is. But as you can see, like over here, I mean, these are like tops of trees and stuff that are sticking out, you know. So that's normally normally that would be all land. That is crazy, man. All that water we have. Here's the effect. All that raining we've had lately, that is. God dang. All right, so it's a new day and it's a new spot to herp and see what we can find. Here's a little log for us to check out. See what we can see. Some cool mushrooms in the log and whatnot. Thing underneath it, unfortunately. All right, so I've been hiking for a few hours now, and I was starting to think, we're gonna find anything out here? Trust a good old Kisradon Contortrix to pull through for me. Beautiful little bugger. Certainly is. Just love these guys. Now this guy is just tiny. For a little bit of, you know, just for scale here, we'll just go ahead and show you that right there. Little dude. What's going on, little buddy? How you doing this morning? No, he's right. He knows I'm here. He's like, hey, what you doing? What you doing, buddy? These guys are beautiful. You know, at this size, he's eating things like insects and you know, maybe small lizards, stuff like that, but you know, definitely not of the size to eat rodents yet or anything like that. But he's just a beautiful little guy. Look at him, so beautiful, isn't he? Beautiful, man. This guy is probably, I'm looking at him, he's probably like 6 inches or something like that, maybe somewhere between 6 and 8 inches. I would say about maybe 8 inches. He's really lit, probably about 8 inches actually. Now that I'm looking, let's see. Yeah, I would say about 8 inches. But he's really awesome. So you can see that he still has his bright green little caudal lure right there, and that is for you know, luring in prey. See, these guys will use that bright green little lure there, and like I say, it's called a caudal lure, and they'll coil up and they'll wiggle that little sucker right there, and then their prey will come and take a nip at it, thinking it's a nice juicy little worm, and this guy will move in. Oh, Oh, I see. The little piece of blade of grass touched you, and you're like, what happened? He's a good little fella. Don't ever do that, by the way. I'm just been reading this guy's temperament. He's pretty docile. I know that there's a risk. There are several risks into what I do. I almost fell off a cliff the other day. So I think that's the most dangerous thing that I've dealt with. So anyhow, if you don't want a trip to the emergency room and possibly a pretty expensive stay, you know, don't mess around with pit vipers. If you do want to check out pit vipers, right here on Reptile Quest, you know what I'm saying? All right, so let's keep going. All right, so what do you say we check some of our usual spots? Well, this is highly unexpected. Found a little red-eared slider right here in the middle. What's up, dude? Oh, I know. This little fella, he's a little bit further from the water than he needs to be. I'm gonna take him back where he needs to be. Not to worry, pal. I'm your friend. But yeah, this little red-eared slider, as you can see by little red right there. So, he's like, leave me alone. Yeah, it's definitely not very often that I find these guys out of the water out here. So we're just gonna get him closer to the water, and I'm sure that he is a bit lost. So help him out here. Taking our little pal back here to the water's edge, and I'm gonna take him somewhere where he can get out easily if he wants. But here we are. We'll look at our friend a little bit better here. Oh, he's mad. He's like, don't you touch me. He's like, I'm wild and I'm free, and I don't want to be messed around with. Here you go, pal. Give him on his way, though. There we go. Awesome. Success. Didn't want to leave him so far away from the water. Because I think he got himself stranded. Honestly. And just a little bit earlier I saw a less fortunate turtle. Actually seriously, just like less than a minute down the trail, I saw another red-ear slider that was not so fortunate. He did not make it back to the water, and I believe a raccoon was what found him because he was not intact.
speed.